The fierce political battle within ZANU-PF over the controversial co-option of local business tycoon Kudakwashe Gray into the main decision-making board of the ruling party in between congresses. The Central Committee has intensified to new levels. Sadabira mashoko kudapangwa ino chondoka kunzi azvisaumira zvakanaka mubatiro ZANU-PF. Notibva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina muna uzire mubanyo kwa mchinzi. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa recently told media at a press conference in Harare that Tagure has not been co-opted because the process was badly flawed and he was ineligible, but Party Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Chinamasa, attacking the spokesperson while using social media as a pretext, says the businessman has been co-opted by the Politburo and is now all but a new member of the Central Committee, subject to its noting and inevitable adoption in the next meeting. Writing on his X Twitter platform on the matter last evening, Chinamasa, who recently fought Part Secretary General Obet Mpofu over the same issue, said the ZANU-PF Department of Legal Affairs is relieved and takes note that the controversy or confusion or disinformation that surrounded Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC co-option of Comrade Kudakwashe Tagure into the ZANU-PF Central Committee is now over and irreversibly settled. From the outset, it was difficult to understand the source of the problem. Our Harare PCC convened on Monday, 31 March 2025, and voted to recommend the co-option of Comrade Tagure into the Central Committee. The province addressed the letter of recommendation to the ZANU-PF Secretary General, Comrade Dr. Obet Moses Mpofu. The letter was copied to the departments of the Commissariat in Legal Affairs, amongst others. So the controversy surrounding Comrade Tagure's co-option to the Central Committee surprises me and it took me completely off guard, given Comrade Tagure's commitment to ZANU-PF and his track record in the service of the party. The somewhat negative publicity and narrative surrounding his co-option to the Central Committee is undeserved. I have been a member of ZANU-PF Central Committee continuously and without break since December 1987 and a member of the ZANU-PF Politburo since the year 2000 to date. And I can state unequivocally that throughout this long period of nearly 38 years as a Central Committee or as Politburo, we have never had to debate, let alone discuss, PCC recommendations of co-option to the Central Committee. We always treated such recommendations as fait accompli. Ndo mashoko ari kuno pangwa inoi owiriraniwa aiwa na Patrick Chinamasa pangwa inoi vachita aiwa the co-option yakuda kwashe Tagure irreversible pangwa inoi ndobva pamira vakadaro. Amene chimbotudzai mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.